Hey guys, today's puzzle is very interesting. This one made me smile. It's white to play and win. White's pawns are going forward in this direction. Black's pawns are going this way. Before I say too much, what do you think the winning move is for white? Well, if you had a chance to look at that, the interesting part about this puzzle is obviously the C pawn here, which is one square away from becoming a queen. The problem is if we just get the queen now, of course, black just takes it. That doesn't really make any sense. And the other problem is black's king is about to come over and just capture our pawn. And that's a big problem because obviously our king is too far to defend, and all we have is the queen to support it. It looks like it's about to be captured. What could we possibly do except maybe try to come over here and grab one of these guys and hope for a draw, right? The winning move in this position is queen to d6. And if you're thinking, wait a second, our queen can just be captured because the pawn's going forward, you're absolutely correct. And why would we do that? Hopefully you didn't say to get another queen because that doesn't make sense. We gave up a queen just to get another queen. We actually lost a pawn in the process, and this is probably just a draw. We gave up the queen so that we could get a knight and fork the king and the queen. And after the king moves, not only do we get the queen back, we also have the knight to capture these pawns and push our pawn down the board and win. Really amazing stuff. And there's one more important point here, and that's if the king tries to move over to defend the queen and also threaten to take like this, we simply trade the queens. And when we trade the queens, it forces black's king to come out. And then when we get the queen, nothing is defending it, of course, and we win the game. Super simple puzzle, really, but not an easy move to see. When I first saw it, I was like, wait a second, what's the winning move? And then I looked at the solution and noticed that it was like 2 moves long. It's like, wait, what? 1, 2. And that's it. That's it. The end. Hope you enjoyed that like I did. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp, play smart, and take care.